So, Onkar, tell us what type of opportunity you are looking for.
I was looking for something which is very different from others, which not everyone is doing, and also I wanted to be a part of Digital India as everyone is going online now. The world is a global market, and I think it is very effective in reaching a lot of people. It is cost effective also, and that is what I was looking for.
Do you believe that each and every business will need IT and technology in order to progress?
Yes, of course. Because you see, I believe that IT is the future, but you have to decide, like, is IT your future? Yes, I think it is your future, because you see, each and every business, in order to grow, in order to reach a lot of people, you need IT. I mean, you need, and you can say a website or a mobile application, Android application that you need. So I think it is very important for every business now to go online.
Are you aware which technology company became a billion-dollar company in last 3 years?
Facebook, I can say Facebook is there, then Twitter is there, company like LinkedIn, though on not that scale, but yeah, I mean, they are also doing very good. So I think yes.
What about Indian startups, if you are aware, which become a billion-dollar company?
There are startups like Ola, you can say, or startups like other startups which are into Flipkart, you can say, and there are many more startups. For example, PayPal is there. Companies like that who have done really make it big in recent times.
So tell us, Onkar, why did you join Tenacious Techies?
As I told before,
So Onkar, tell us, why did you join Tenacious Techies?
as I said before, I did not want to do what anyone else is doing. So I went through a lot of businesses, a lot of opportunities that are there out in the market, and I came across Tenacious Techies through, you can say, online. It's a coincidence that I came across Tenacious Techies online only, and then I spoke to Jigar, and we had a initial discussion, and I thought that it is something which, yeah, I can do it. Though I am not from an IT background, but yeah, with the discussion, I think we went ahead. We had a discussion, and then I spoke to a couple of my friends, and they also said that yeah, this looks good, and we can definitely, go there and have a meeting. We had a meeting in Mumbai with Jigar for the first time, and we were very positive about it. And then things went well, and we are here.